Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this amazing 3D fire design, or rather flame design. So you can see on the screen it looks perfectly professional, like so good. So I'm showing you how to do it, so just stay tuned. And before we start, I'm gonna show you a riddle, give you a riddle question. So the riddle answer is gonna be put in between the video, so you're gonna watch the video to know the answer to the riddle. So alright, go begin. Alright, so this is the image we're going to use to design this. So I'm just going to zoom it a bit, then we'll go to our 2-point line tool. So we're just going to trace this. Alright, now that we're done tracing this, we'll go to our shape tool to adjust it to its perfect size. So right click to curve. So this is probably what I'm going to be doing for this part of the video. Just right click, select to curve, right click, select to curve. Alright, now that we're done adjusting this, we're just sketching it out. We're going to bring out the outline so you can see how it looks. It's the same as this. Looks good, right? Yeah. So what we're going to do first, we're going to come to this yellow, left click and hold, then give it this particular yellow, this, and go to interactive filter. Just take it downwards like this way. Yeah, that's good. So on this white box, I'm gonna give it a deep red color. So you just left click and hold, and this last red. You can raise this up a bit, just this a little. Then you double click on this line, give it a yellow color. So now this is perfect. So it's just a matter of, giving it the correct mix of colors. Or like, give it the flame effects. So alright, this is okay. So go to your bitmaps, convert to bitmaps, ensure it's in a resolution of 300 dpi, select OK. So go to your effect, 3D effect, go straight to emboss. So you can see now it's selected in gray, so you have to select it to original color. So you just leave it in a depth of 2, the level of 100, select OK. Then go back to your effects, straight to your texture, to your plastic. So you can see it looks good. So you just make sure it's in a highlight of 0 points, depth of 35 points, and the smoothness of 34 points. So I'm going to compare it to the original. So you can see it. It looks exactly like the original. You can see how it is. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.